Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the interfaces in Java. Another way to achieve the abstraction in Java is with the interfaces. You know that what is the abstraction? Abstraction is one of the most fundamental concept in Java. The abstraction is the process where you show only relevant data and hide unnecessary detail of an object from the user. So friend, the interface look like a class, but it is not a class. Like a class, an interface can have a methods and variables, but the method declared in an interfaces are by the default abstract. That means it only have the method signature, not the body. So the interfaces specify what the class must do and not how. It is the blueprint of the class. An interface is about the capabilities like a player. Maybe an interface and any class implementing player must be able to, so it specify the set of methods and that implement class has to implement. If a class implements an interface and does not provide the method bodies for all the functions specified in interfaces, then the class must be declared as a abstract class. The syntax of how to declare the interface is interface, interface name, opening curly brace. Here declare constant field, declare method that abstract and by default, and closing the curly brace. This is the general syntax of declaration of the interface. To declare an interface, use interface keyword. It is used to provide total abstraction. That means all the method in the interface are declared with an empty body and are public, and all fields are public, static and final by default. A class that implement an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. To implement interface, use implements keyword. So why do we use the interface? It is used to achieve the total abstraction. It is used to achieve the total abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but the hiding the unnecessary information. So since the Java does not support the multiple inheritance in case of class, but by using the interface it can be achieve the multiple inheritance. It is also used to achieve the loose coupling also, and interface are used to implement the abstraction. So the question arises that why use interfaces when we have the abstract classes? So an interface is a completely abstract class that use a group of related methods with empty bodies. So friend, since methods in the interface do not have the body, they have to be implemented by the class before you can access them. The class that implement the interface must implement all the methods of that class interface. Also, the Java programming language does not allow you to extend more than one class. However, you can implement more than one interface in your class. So we use the interface in our programming. An interface is completely abstract class that is used to group related method with empty bodies. For example, interface, here interface animal, this is animal is the name of the interface, and here public void animal sound and public void run, these two methods of that interface. The methods have does not have a body. So to access the interface method, the interface must be implemented by the another class with the implements keyword instead of the extend keyword. The body of the interface method is provided by the implement class. For example, suppose I declare a animal interface and I give call the two method public void animal sound and public void sleep. These are the two interface methods. Now here I take a class pig and this implements animal class. So public void animal sound, here we define the method. here I only print the message, the peak say vv, the system.out.println, and this message will be put. Now in the public void sleep method, the body of the sleep method will contain only the message z. So when we declare the main class, my main class, and here we call the main method of the Java, and here we create the class of the, we create the object of the pig class. Pig, my pig equal to new pig, here create a pig object. Here now my pig dot animal sound and my pig dot sleep, we call these two methods with the help of this object. When we compile and run this program, then it will be show the output like the pig say vv and zzz. So Java does not support the multiple inheritance. You know that a class can only inherit from one superclass. So, however, it can be achieved with the interface because the class can implement multiple interfaces. Note that to implement the multiple interfaces, separate them with the comma. So, we see the another concept is the multiple interface. To implement the multiple interfaces, separate them with a comma operator. For example, suppose I take a interface, first interface, and I put the method, interface method my method. Now public void my method, here is the method has no any body. So I call the another second interface second interface, here I call the another method my other method, public void my other method. Now I write a class, demo class, that implement both the interfaces, first interface and second interface. Now here I define this both method, my method and my other method. In my method we simply print the message some text, and in the my other method class or method we only print a some other text message. Now when we create a main class, my main class, and we create a main function, and here we create the object of demo class my obj equal to new demo class. Here when we call this method with the help of the object my obj dot my method and my obj dot my other method, so when we compile and run that program, it will be show the output some text and some other text, like that. When we call my obj dot my method, then it will be control will be go to the my method, and it will be print the output some text. Now when we call the my other method with the help of the my object, then control goes to that particular method and print the uh, particular message some other text. So it will be implemented like that way. So when in the Java we cannot Java does not support the multiple inheritance, but when we run the multiple inheritance, then we use the interface concept in Java. Hope you have to understand this concept. Thank you, friend.